In this video, we'll look at generating random numbers using functions in Excel. So the Excel has got two options for this, the rand function and the RandBetween function. So RandBetween gives us whole numbers with no decimal points between two numbers that you specify. So we type in RandBetween, and then in this case we're going to do between 1 and 20, so we'll specify our bottom number or our smallest number and our top number, in this case 20, separated by a comma. And in this case it's given us 2. If we copy the formula across, then it gives us a whole lot of random numbers. And as you work on the spreadsheet, the calculated numbers will change when you complete formulas and so on, or if you press the F9 key, it does a recalculation as well. So we'll repeat the same thing for whole numbers between 100 and 200, just specifying different top and bottom values, and there we go. And there can be duplicates. As you can see, 196 has come up twice here. It doesn't check for duplicates or anything like that. Then there's the rand function, short for random, and that produces decimal numbers or fractions between 0 and 1. And that has nothing between the brackets. And as you can see, it just produces a whole lot of numbers between 0 and 1. If we want to extend those numbers but still get decimals, we can do the following. Take the rand function and we multiply it. In this case, I want a decimal number between 0 and 20, so I'm going to multiply the rand function by 20. And then it will give me a range of decimal numbers between 0 and 20. So there's a very small one, there's a much larger one. And if we press F9, it will recalculate all of those. And that's random number generation in Excel.